Hey, all my favorite math wizards. I'm so excited that you're here with me today to learn some new math skills. We're going to be reviewing lots of different addition and subtraction problems today. It's going to be hard work, but I know you're ready. If you are ready, give me a big old toot, toot, toot. I mean, I heard that all the way over here, through the computer, through the TV. Oh my gosh. Okay, so let's go over our math vocabulary words before we get started, and then we'll warm up and we will get going. Okay, so let's go over our words. So this word is subtract. What does it mean to subtract? Yeah, subtract is when you're taking away or removing some numbers from a group. Awesome job. And that is called subtraction. And what sign do we use when we subtract, when we're doing subtraction? Yes, the minus. Awesome. Now we have one more vocabulary word, and that is difference. Difference is the answer to a subtraction problem, our total after we have subtracted. Okay, so let's warm up our brains and our hearts. Let's get ready. Warm it up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Warm it up. And now warm up your heart because you're going to love all of these problems that we're going to do today. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Warm up the heart. Okay, let's go. Okay, so I've made one cube train of 5 for the 5 children that are at the park, and then I've made a cube train of 3 for the 3 more children that come to the park. And now I'm going to put them together. Okay, so now we're going to count them all together to see how many children are at the park. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 8 cubes now all together after we put the 2 cube trains together. How many children are at the park in all? 8. Yes, you're right. So now let's write that equation. We have 5 plus 3 equals 8. Each of the problems that we did with our manipulatives online. So let's log online, and so you can see how to solve them using your M tools. We are going to be in lesson 17. We're looking at all our different kinds of addition and word problems. So let's go over first that joining problem, and we're going to be using our connecting cubes. Okay, so let's pretend that there were 4 children at the park, and then 4 more children came to the park. How many children are there in all? So we're going to build a cube train first of the first group of 4 children, and then we're going to add another cube train with the second group of 4 children. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now this is a joining problem, so we're going to join this whole cube train together. Oops. Okay, so now let's see how many we have all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Awesome. Let's write an equation. We had 4 plus 4 equals 8. Now that's an example of a joining addition problem. Now here's another type of problem. This is a missing add-in problem. 5 children are at the park. They need 7 to make a team. How many more children do they need? So I'm going to use my connecting cubes to also solve this problem. I'm going to make a cube train of 5 and then add on to see how many more we're going to need to get to make 7. All right, let's start making our cube trains. So I made a cube train of 5 because there are 5 children already at the park. Now we need to have a total of 7 to make the team. So I'm going to add more cubes to my cube train until I get to 7. Okay, so there's 5, 6, 7. How many more cubes did I add? 1, 2. So we needed 2 more children to make a team of 7. So let's write that equation. 5 plus 2 equals 7. Addend problem using our M tools. Let's read the problem. 7 children are at the park. They need 9 to make a baseball team. How many more children do they need? Okay, so first I'm going to make a train of 7 cubes to show the number of children at the park. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many children were at the park to start? Yes, 7. How many more do we need to add to have 9 for a baseball team? Well, let's add cubes to see. So we had 7, 8, 9. We needed 2 more cubes to make that baseball team of 9. So let's write this equation. 7 plus 2 equals 9. Great job. Now here's an example of a takeaway problem. 8 children are playing soccer. 3 stop playing. How many children keep playing? So I'm going to now use my cubes again and make a cube train to solve this problem. I'm going to start with a cube train of 8. All right, let's start building my cube train of 8. Now I'm going to take away or remove 3 cubes to represent the 3 children that stopped playing soccer. Oh, too many. Go back together. So here's the 3 that I took away. Now let's count to see how many are left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's write that equation. 8 children are playing soccer. 3 stopped playing, so 8 minus 3 equals 5. We had 5 cubes left in our cube train. Takeaway problem. Now we've already practiced with our manipulatives, but now let's try one online. 10 children are playing basketball. 4 stop playing and go home. How many children are still playing? So we're first going to make a cube train with 10 cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we're going to take off 4 cubes from our train. These 4 cubes show the number of children who go home. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many cubes are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what equation can we write? 10 minus 4 equals 6. How many children are still playing after the 4 leave to go home? You're right, 6. Awesome job working on these problems. Now here's the last type of problem that we're going to go over. This is a comparing problem. 4 boys and 2 girls are at the park. What is the difference between boys and girls? Now you guessed it, we're going to use our cube train to solve this problem. Okay, we're going to start first by building a cube train of 4 and then a cube train of 2. Let's start building. Put the cubes next to each other. What is the difference? 1, 2. What equation can we write to show the difference? 4 minus 2 equals 2. Great job. This is a comparing problem. It says 7 girls and 3 boys are at the park. What is the difference between the numbers of girls and boys? So we're going to make 2 cube trains, one with 7 cubes for the girls and one with 3 cubes for the boys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we're going to put our trains next to each other like we did, and we're going to find the difference. 1, 2, 3, 4. What equation can we write to show the difference? Let's see. 7 minus 3 equals 4. The difference is 4. There are 4 more girls than boys. There are 4 fewer boys than girls. Wow, great. Wow, you did so many practice problems. Like, your brain has to be tired from all the hard work that you did. I am so proud of you. Let's move on to the next part of our lesson. Work on all these problems in our workspace book on page 33. So let's get our workspace book, or you can work online. We're going to do the first problem together. I had $10. I spent $9. How much do I have left? So let's think, what kind of problem is this? Is it comparing, joining, missing addend, or take away? Yes, it's take away. How many trains will you make? Awesome. Yes, we're going to make 1 cube train. How many cubes will you use to make the train? 10. So let's make that now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so we started with 1 cube train, and it has 10. How many cubes will you remove or take away from your cube train? Yes, 9. Why? Yes, great job, because the problem says I spent $9. So we're going to take away 9 cubes. 1, 2, 3. Oh, where'd that one go? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, how much money do I have left? Right, 1, because I have 1 cube left. I have $1 because I have 1 cube left. Now let's write the equation. 10 minus 9 equals 1. Awesome job. Teacher has checked your work. You can turn to page 34 in your workspace book and play What's the Difference? Now, we learned how to play this game earlier in the week. I'm going to refresh your memory with the rules one round, and I will show you online. You need counters, counting cubes, and number cards. These number cards have 10 frames on them to help us quickly look at 10 frames to see how many there are. Okay, I'm going to go first. So I'm going to pick a 10 frame card. And Puppy Dog's here to play with me. Woof, woof. And she's picking a 10 frame card. She picked 1. So now we're going to build a train for the 2 numbers. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Oh, that one disappeared. 4, 5, 6, 7. There it goes. Okay. Now a cube train of 1. Okay. So now let's find the difference. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Our difference is 6. Okay, so let's write that equation. And I'm going to write it over here. 7 minus 1 equals 6. Okay, so whoever had the greatest number gets the difference and gets to capture that many. So I have the biggest number, 7. That's bigger than 1, right, puppy dog? So I get 6 counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now you keep playing this round and capturing counters. Ooh, I forgot to write I captured 6 counters. You play for 5 rounds. Whoever has the total number of counters, or the greatest number of counters at the end, wins. All right, have fun and good luck finding what's the difference. Congratulations, you did it. You made it through a really hard lesson and you didn't give up. You kept trying when those problems were tough and you figured out if it was addition or subtraction, if it was comparing or a missing addend. You worked so hard. My heart is so big and happy right now. Let's celebrate with the wow cheer. W, wow. Awesome job, guys. See you tomorrow.